Namaskar students. How are you? Fine. Students, today we are topic limit. This chapter is in UG. This chapter is for those who are preparing for IIT JEE examination. So, students, to know the meaning of this chapter, to know the basic of this chapter, to understand the hidden fact of this chapter limit, I suggest you that kindly go through some facts of functions as their division. So please write, let us write form of a function. Form of a function. Form of a function. There may be two forms of a function. In one form, means first form, may be written as, please write, indeterminate. Let us write indeterminate. 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 And the second form is determinate. DITERMINATE. Determinate. So first form is what? First form is indeterminate and second form is determinate. And we have started the chapter limit. And in this chapter limit, if you may be able to understand that what is the meaning of finding the limit of a function, then it will be easy for you to find the solution of your numerical problem. So students, first of all, try to understand that what is the meaning of indeterminate form of a function. What is the meaning of indeterminate form of a function? Indeterminate, as suppose you are writing here fx is equal to, I am explaining you that what is the meaning of the term indeterminate. Suppose you have written fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a. What you have written? You have written fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Put here x is equal to a. Put here x is equal to a. Then this will be what? This will be fa is equal to a square. Let us write a square minus a square divided by a minus a. So a square minus a square is equal to 0 and a minus a is equal to 0. A square minus a square is equal to 0 divided by a minus a is equal to 0, means this is 0 by 0. This function is indeterminate. This function is indeterminate. So students, any function which is of the form 0 by 0, let us write, please write, any function, start writing, any function of the form, any function of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, comma, infinity into infinity, infinity into infinity, comma, infinity minus infinity, comma, infinity plus infinity divided by infinity, infinity minus infinity divided by infinity, infinity into infinity divided by infinity. So if a function is of this form, if a function is in either of the forms as 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or infinity into infinity or infinity minus infinity or infinity plus infinity divided by infinity or infinity minus infinity divided by infinity or infinity into infinity divided by infinity. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 9. These are the forms that you can say that the function is in indeterminate form. So students, if someone is asking you that what do you mean by indeterminate form of a function, then your answer should be in a simple language that any function of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or infinity into infinity or infinity minus infinity and so on. So that function is called indeterminate form of a function. Student, you may ask me that sir, you have started the chapter limit and you are teaching us indeterminate and determinate form of a function. So what is the logic? Since you are teaching this chapter limit and you have started to teach us that topic indeterminate and determinate form of a function, then what is the reason behind discussing these two different topics? Students, this is for your kind information that if you know the meaning of the indeterminate and determinate form of a function, then it is only possible for you to find the limit of a function. As you have seen here, we have taken a function fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a, and after putting x is equal to a, you are getting the result as 0 by 0. Some students used to write 0 by 0 is equal to 0. Be aware, 0 by 0 means not 0. We don't know what is the value of 0 by 0. It is very difficult for any scientist or for any mathematician to say that what is the actual value of 0 by 0. So we can't determine this value. So this value is, we can't say anything about this result. So this is indeterminate, or there is no any system which can represent this 0 by 0 on the number line. So this number is what? This is indeterminate form of a function. So students, I hope that you have understand this, that what is indeterminate form of a function. Now let us see, we are going to convert the same function in the form of a determinate form of a function. I see here you have written fx is equal to, please write, fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Now factorize x square minus a square, then you can use the formula a square minus b square, and according to that formula you can write a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So if you are writing x square minus a square, then it will give you x minus a into x plus a and divided by x plus x minus a. Then in the numerator there is x minus a, and in denominator there is x minus a. So x minus a and x minus a will be cancelled. Then the result will be what? This will be x plus a. Means your function is fx. So now if you put x is equal to a here, then what you will find? You will find fa is equal to a plus a is equal to 2a. fa is equal to a plus a means you are putting the value of x in x, fx is equal to x plus a. So then what you are finding? You are finding a plus a is equal to 2a. This is a finite and definite value. 2a is a finite and definite value. Means this value is what? This is a determinate value. This is a determinate value. So students, one thing that is very much interesting here, and you are perhaps finding or you are observing, that you have taken the same function fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a. You have taken the same function fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a in the case of indeterminate function, and you have taken fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a for determinate function also. But the result you have obtained are different, and this difference in the result of a same function is due to the change or due to the differentiation or due to the difference or due to the different mode of operandi, different mode of operation of the process of calculation. Means in the case of indeterminate, you have taken fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a, and you have put directly x is equal to a in the numerator and in denominator. Then your result is 0 by 0. But in second case, when you are discussing about determinate form of a function, you have firstly factorized the given function, and after cancel out or after cancellation, you can say the term existing in numerator and denominator, you have put the value of x is equal to something. Then the result you have obtained, that is a determinate result. The result you have obtained, that is a determinate result. So any function given in your limit chapter, if for any function given in your limit chapter, if you are putting the value of the given limit or the value of the given variable, the result will be definitely indeterminate. But if after some simplification or by factorization, by some cancellation of the terms. We shall discuss in the next some moments about this. You can see that the same function is going to be determinate. So now you can ask that, sir, what is the meaning of finding limit of a function? You have given a long lecture on limit, so please let me see. You are asking, suppose you are asking that, sir, define in one line that what is the meaning of finding limit of a function, rather than delivering a very big lecture on that. If you are asking me like this, then I can say you that the meaning of finding limit of a function, let us write the meaning of finding limit of a function means to convert indeterminate form of a function into a determinate form of function. Again I am repeating, the meaning of finding limit of a function, the meaning of finding limit of a function means to convert indeterminate form of a function as determinate. Students, if any question, whether that is of BTech, that is of BSc Honours, that is of, you can say, IIT JEE entrance examination, or whatever may be the class specified as according to your need or your study, if you are having any numerical problem and if you are asked that find the limit of this function, find the limit of this numerical problem, then your target should be to convert indeterminate form of the function into determinate form of the function. Again I am justifying, I am giving a very simple example. Take any numerical problem of limit chapter and put the limit value of the limit directly, without any simplification, without any factorization, without doing anything. You are putting directly the value of the limit. Then the result you will be finding will be either 0 by 0, or infinity by infinity, or infinity plus infinity, or infinity minus infinity, or infinity plus infinity divided by infinity, or infinity by infinity divided by infinity plus infinity, or infinity minus infinity divided by infinity, or infinity divided by infinity minus infinity, or infinity into infinity divided by infinity, or infinity divided by infinity into infinity. Just in any numerical problem of limit, if you are pushing the direct limiting value, you are going to get the indeterminate result. So the meaning of finding limit of a function means to convert indeterminate form of the function into a determinate form of function. A student, when I was a student of plus 2 and when I was a student of UG, sorry to say that I was taught this chapter limit in such a way that it was very difficult for me to understand that what our teacher is doing, what our professor sir is doing, and what he wants to do in this given numerical problem. But when as a teacher I started to teach you, then I recognized your problem, that what problem you are facing in the class. Then I started to find out a way to explain the limit term, the meaning of the term limit, and to explain the facts of limit, so that you can understand that if you are studying limit, then what you have to do in this chapter. Just by solving a particular chapter of limit with the help of your teacher is not a study of limit. Rabindranath Tagore has told, a lamp cannot burn another lamp unless it continues to burn on its own flame. So, you have to flame yourself to light someone other. You have to learn yourself. You have to develop independency in case of solution of any numerical problem. Actually, if you are a student of science and technology, or if you are a student of competitive entrance examination, if you are going to sit in the IIT JEE examination, then our expectation is high that you are well acquainted to the fact and the pedagogy of the subject you are studying. So student, now I am giving some another thing to you. Just let us see. I hope that you have seen the sign of arrow. The sign of arrow. Usually you used to write on a vector, then you write a, and on the head you write a vector, means arrow, an arrow. So arrow is read as tends to, TENDS, tends to. Arrow is read as tends to in your calculus, in your mathematics, in your limit, in your computing, in your computation. This is read as tends to. So just I have written here fx is equal to x square minus a square divided by x minus a, and we have put x is equal to a. In the language of limit, this may be written LIM, means limit, and then in below you write x tends to means arrow sign, x tends to a, then you write x square minus a square, x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Limit x tends to a, x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Then this is the question of limit. As the function you have taken and the value of x you have taken, in the language of limit, this may be written as LIM, means limit x tends to a. Then you have written x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Now you have to solve this question. Someone can ask that find the solution of this problem or evaluate. There may be written in your examination that evaluate limit x tends to a, x square minus a square divided by x minus a. Then the solution is as usual. What you have to do, you know well, because I have already discussed. You will be writing here that this may be written as limit x tends to a, then x square minus a square means x minus a into x plus a divided by x minus a. Now x minus a and x minus a will be cancelled. Then put x is equal to a. Then a plus a is equal to 2a. then a plus a is equal to 2a. This is the answer. This is the answer of this numerical problem. And if you put directly x is equal to a without factorization, without any simplification, then you can find a square x. If you put x is equal to a, then a square minus a square is equal to 0 divided by a minus a is equal to 0, means 0 by 0. So you are finding 0 by 0, and 0 by 0 is what? Indeterminate. So I want to say that every numerical problem of limit chapter is always in indeterminate form. Our target is to convert that indeterminate form of the function into a determinate. And if you are converting that function in a determinate form, then the determinate form means the result you have found is your answer. This is the tips and this is the technique for limit. Students, I hope that you have understand the fundamental of the chapter limit. Now let us write some methods for finding limit. Please write. Let us write methods for finding limit of a function. Start writing. Let us start writing. Please write. First, division method. Write please. DIVI, V for very good. DIVISION. Division method. Then in second you write differential method. Differential method. Division method, then differential method, and the third is L. You can write HOS PITAL rule. Actually, a student used to write L hospital, but HOS is silent here, so we read as L L'Hopital rule. L L'Hopital rule. So we have three methods. First is division method, second is differential method, and third is L'Hopital rule. So division method is for very simple numerical problem of limit. It means if your enemy at the border is very simple fighter, your force can use gun. So division method is a gun method. And differential method, if there is some, you can say, a specific danger signing, then the force on border can use launcher, missile. So this method is missile, means heavier than the division method, or more, you can say, heavy method, very more significant method. And this is what? L L'Hopital. This is atom bomb. Whatever may be the capacity, I am not going to appreciate the use of atom bomb, just I am giving some practical example. Students, war and bombs are not solution of any problem. Peace, prosperity, love and affection are the pillars for the survival of humanity in the world. So respect each other, love humanity, hate those who believe in war, and any other demarcation, discrimination. So we have three methods. First is division method, second is differential method, and third is L'Hopital method. Means first of all you should try to use division method, then differential method, and then finally L'Hopital method. Now one student can ask me that, sir, if I have to solve a numerical problem, then one by one I should use all these three methods. Firstly, I should use division method for the solution of the numerical problem. Then I should use differential method for the solution of the given numerical problem. And again I should use L'Hopital rule. Students, for that I will just give an example, that if you are on your motorbike, on your motorcycle, on your bike, then you know that when you have to use your first gear, when you have to use your second gear, and when you have to use your third gear. It depends on the structure of road, density of the crowd, your mental situation, as well as your planning a journey. So student, when you will start doing numerical problem, automatically you will be able to understand that whether you have to apply here division method or differential method or L'Hopital rule. Just by delivering lecture you can't learn. You can learn only by doing numerical problem. Just we have taken here in the beginning, just I was discussing about determinate and indeterminate, then I have cancelled out numerator and denominator, means that is division method. You have cancelled the term in the base from the term on the top, on the upper, means you have cancelled numerator and denominator, so you have applied what? That is the division method. You have divided something, x minus a divided by x minus a is equal to cancelled. So that method is what? That is division method. So generally algebraic functions generally are solved with the help of division methods, and if they are not factorized, or if you feel any difficulty, then in that case you can use L'Hopital rule. But so far the differential method is concerned, you can apply this specifically in case of exponential function, logarithmic function, and trigonometrical function. Pure function is in the form of sine, cos, tan, cos x, cot, sine inverse, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, e to the power x, log x, etc. Then there is possibility, and there should be something born in your mind that you may use here, there, in that case, differential method. So student, tomorrow, the same time at 9:10 p.m. in my Facebook Live, as usually I used to visit Facebook Live. And today in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, we are busy in organizing our national conferences. You can see our national conferences on the university official YouTube channel, that is going to be started from 16. As well as for girls of the country, university is providing different facilities and different fellowship, scholarship, and COVID-19 subsidy for the girls for the admission in different technical, medical, professional courses, programs. The students, you should advise to pass this information to the girls who are interested for any technical, medical, professional programs in a safe and secure women's university. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. In case of any query, you should write your comment in the comment box of the Facebook, or you should write your comment on my WhatsApp, on my Messenger. Thank you very much for enjoying this lecture. We shall discuss the next part of the limit tomorrow. Till tomorrow, Namaskar, good night, Shubh Ratri, Jai Hind.